Welcome to Mega World Astra Brokers Network, Mega World Brokers Network, and of course, Mega World Corporation. Kanina, si Relly, and si Jazz, they congratulate those brokers and partners who closed sale last month. But let me also congratulate everyone who are present today because I believe this is the first step for you to be able to make a sale. In real estate, I do believe that basic knowledge is not just a tool, it's not just a foundation, it's actually your key to success. So let's start and rest assured that kami po sa Mega World Brokers Network and Mega World Astra Brokers Network will be more than happy to help and assist. So we are handling pre-selling projects in the Fort and Bulacan. And for today, let me provide more details about Uptown Arts and Uptown Modern. Just if you have any questions or if you have any clarification, again, please don't forget to use the chat box or please comment your questions and we will be more than happy to help and assist you. Again, we can help you with pre-selling projects in the fort like Uptown Arts and Uptown Modern. Just a quick review, just like nung sinabi po ni Jazz and Relly kanina, si Mega World, we are known for building a township, which means city within a city. So everything that you need will be just elevator button away from your unit. On your screen right now is the map of Fort Bonifacio. I'm sure everyone is familiar with the fort, with Fort Bonifacio, one of the most attractive investment destination right now here in Metro Manila. Just to give you an idea, we have four township development in the fort. The first one is Forbes Town Center, which offer half-kilometer view of Manila Golf and Country Club. But as of the moment, this project is already sold out. It's approximately 5 hectares. After Forbes Town Center, we launch and we offer McKinley Hill, which is 50 hectares, 50, exclusively developed by Mega World Corporation. Of course, every time we hear McKinley Hill, synonym na po dito si Venice Grand Canal Mall. So dyan nyo po makikita si Venice Grand Canal Mall, which is considered as the most romantic mall in the Philippines. After McKinley Hill, we launched McKinley West, which is around 34.5 hectares. On your map, sa taas lang po siya ni McKinley Hill. And if you notice, almost connected po siya, which is correct. McKinley Hill and McKinley West in the future will be connected. It will be part of a bigger development, which is Bonifacio Capital District. Bonifacio Capital District is a joint venture between BCDA, Bases Conversion and Development Authority, and Mega World. And again, we will develop this area, McKinley Hill, McKinley West, up to Gate 3 area as Bonifacio Capital District. When we say Bonifacio Capital District, it will be the administrative capital of the Philippines, since most of the high government offices will be moving in Fort Bonifacio. Of course, andyan po si Senate of the Philippines, Supreme Court will be moving in McKinley Hill, DepEd, Court of Appeals, and a whole lot more. I'm sure you're very familiar with Senate of the Philippines since there are lots of news about the development of the Senate or the new Senate building. Just to give you an idea, Tower 1 and Tower 2 is still go. They are still planning to open or turn over those towers by end of this year as part of their 100 years celebration this year. So that's actually an insight tip. Like for example, if you want to know who or to whom you can offer our project, sino po ba yung pwede nating lapitan? So we can actually cater or we can target those clients from Senate of the Philippines, Supreme Court, Court of Appeals, and a whole lot more. So again, that's for McKinley Hill and for McKinley West. In the future, we will have separate discussion for our available projects in McKinley West, which is Park McKinley West. For today, we will focus on Uptown Bonifacio, which is MegaWorld's fourth township in the fourth, approximately 15 to 16 hectares, and it's near Kalayaan Avenue. So on your screen right now is the fourth township development of MegaWorld. And if you will add all the developments, MegaWorld own almost 100 hectares in Fort Bonifacio. On your screen right now is the Uptown Bonifacio Township Development. Again, it's approximately 15.4 hectares. And I'm sure most of you already visit this area. I love Uptown Bonifacio because of its modern building, its fast-paced environment, and of course, its location and accessibility. I'm sure we all agree that in real estate, it's very important to consider location, location, and location. So we have the best location. And just to give you an idea, Uptown Bonifacio, east side or beside Uptown Bonifacio, specifically on the east side. Let me check if Jess can help me. All right, on the east side part of Uptown Bonifacio, there are lots of international schools like Manila Japanese School, British School Manila, International School Manila, De La Salle College of Law, UP Professional School. So there are lots of international community or expat community in Uptown Bonifacio. So again, that's on the east side of Uptown Bonifacio. On the south side of Uptown Bonifacio, we have the High Street area. We have different international companies, and of course, McKinley Hill, McKinley West, and the Gate 3 area. And then sa west side, which is sa baba po, if you are looking sa map po natin, we have the Grand Hyatt Development and the Makati Central Business District. And then sa north side po, which is sa may McDonald's, pagkatawid po niya ng Kalayaan Avenue, we have the Pioneer and Ortigas Business District area. And it's very near to Uptown Bonifacio since the PGC Ortigas Link Road is already open, which means if you are from Uptown Bonifacio and if you are planning to go to Ortigas Business District, you don't need to go or use C5 and EDSA. You can use the PGC Ortigas Link Road and you will be able to go to Ortigas in approximately 12 to 15 minutes. So in terms of accessibility, in terms of location, we have the best location. There are lots of infrastructure development as well. Like for example, the Metro Manila Subway. In Fort Bonifacio, we will have 4 stations and 1 station, which is Kalayaan Station, will be walking distance or a few blocks away from Uptown Bonifacio. All right. So what are the unique features of Uptown Bonifacio? Number 1, of course, we have all high-rise residential development, home of several firsts. Later, we will provide more details why we love Uptown Bonifacio. But just to give you an idea, there are lots of new restaurants, new concept that open in Uptown Mall. In fact, Uptown Mall is supposed to be the first 24/7 mall in the Philippines, but we paused it for a while because of the pandemic. But now I think we are going to continue with that plan. MegaWorld and Alliance Global Tower is also located in Uptown Bonifacio. Before, we are located in Makati, or we are based in Makati. But since lots of companies, lots of people are now moving in Fort Bonifacio, even Mega World, we transferred our head office in Uptown Bonifacio. And again, it's walking distance to everything: schools, offices, St. Luke's Medical Center. Everything that you need is just walking distance or elevator button away from your unit. And the best important, or the most important, it integrates modern concepts of technology and entertainment. Next, Jess. All right, so these are our existing project right now in Uptown Bonifacio. The first project that we offer in Uptown Bonifacio is One Uptown Residence. As far as I remember, we offered this project around 2012, 2013. And yung Uptown Bonifacio during that time is sobrang bakante lang po siya. Wala po kayong makikitang any building. It's actually used by jeepney, but now it's totally different. I remember when we are offering One Uptown Residence, our one bedroom is approximately 3.8 million only. But right now, if you will buy a one-bedroom unit in One Uptown Residence, the price is almost 12 to 15 million. So the appreciation of the price is not just double, sometimes it's triple or even more. After the success of One Uptown Residence, we launched Uptown REITs. So this will cater those clients or those investors who are looking for big size unit, which means 2 bedrooms and 3 bedrooms. So wala po tayong studio or 1 bedroom sa Uptown REITs, and there will be only 10 units per floor. But Uptown REITs is also sold out. Same with the next project, which is Uptown Park Suites. Uptown Park Suites consists of two towers, Tower 1 and Tower 2. If you visit Uptown Bonifacio, ito po yung taas ng landers. But again, Uptown Park Suites is also sold out. Ang mga project po namin during the pre-selling, nasa-sold out na po talaga siya. And that's the reason why we have limited ready for occupancy unit. And we highly recommend to consider or to offering our remaining units at our pre-selling projects like Uptown Arts and Uptown Modern. So right now we have Uptown Arts. If you have clients looking for a unit that will be ready by next year, which is September 2025, we can still offer our remaining units at Uptown Arts Residence. Let me share more details about Uptown Arts Residence. And again, if you have any questions or concern, please don't hesitate to inform us, and we will be more than happy to answer everything right after my presentation. So Uptown Arts Residence is approximately 45-story, but technically it's around 43-story only, since there is no fourth floor. There is no 13th floor and there is no 44th floor. So kanina, I shared to you the map of Uptown Bonifacio. So we highlighted the location of Uptown Arts Residence. It's right across JP Morgan Chase Bank. And sa kabilang side, malapit po siya or harapan po niya si Grand Hyatt Development. It's actually a nice location. And if you want to visit the area or if you want to visit our showroom, just let us know, since we have a showroom in Uptown Bonifacio as well. Next, Jess. So we'll be providing more information about the Uptown Arts Residence. And again, this will be turned over by next year, September 2025. So if you have clients looking for a project that will be ready by next year, Uptown Arts is the best project for them. September 2025 for me is perfect since they can still take advantage of our flexible payment terms like no down payment, which will give our client more time to prepare for their finances or for the payment. We still have available studio unit, which is around 41.5 square meters. We also have one bedroom and executive one bedroom. As of the moment, sold out na po kami sa two bedroom, but we still have, I think, three available three-bedroom unit, which is approximately 125 square meters. We'll be showing more details about the unit. And reminder lang po, as of the moment for Uptown Arts, we already maxed the allocation for foreigner. So right now for Uptown Arts, we are only accepting Filipino buyers or foreigners married to Filipino or Filipina or foreigners with a corporation registered here in the Philippines. Next, Jess. All right. So why invest in Uptown Arts Residence? Unang-una, I think I already provided great information about the excellent location of this project. And aside from that, again, if you have clients who need or who want a unit that will be ready by next year or with earliest turnover, Uptown Arts Residence is the best project for them. Aside from that, Uptown Arts Residence is our first residential project in Uptown Bonifacio that offer smart equipped unit or smart home deliverables, which means they will be able to control the lightings or some furnitures by simply using their digital devices like cell phone or iPad. Of course, they will have digital key card for elevator and for their unit. Aside from that, privacy, safety, and security. So if you have clients looking for low density unit, Uptown Arts is also the best option for them since there will be only 12 units per floor. There are some clients who prefer residential condo with lower density or few units per floor, which is one of the characteristics of Uptown Arts residence, and that will give them privacy, safety, and security. We also upgraded deliverables at Uptown Arts residence. We are using European brand. And if you have time or if you have client, we highly recommend to visit our showroom. I personally saw the actual units, some actual units at Uptown Arts residence, and it's really, really nice. It's modern, sophisticated, and high-end. And of course, it's close to key infrastructures like the Metro Manila subway that I discussed earlier. And aside from that, we also have our own monorail train that will connect Uptown Bonifacio and MRT 3, specifically Guadalupe Station. So we are just waiting for the government and for some private institution to finish the Metro Manila subway project. After that, we will proceed with the monorail train that will connect MRT and Uptown Bonifacio. So I think as early as now, you already have clients in mind. Or if you have clients or if you have tenants right now in Uptown area, I highly recommend to inform them about Uptown Arts Residence so we can help them in getting a unit or their own property investment, their own home that they can call their own unit. On your screen right now are the deliverables for Uptown Arts Residence. We will turn over the unit fully finished, which means nakatiles na po siya, the cabinets are included, There are some furnitures and appliances that will be included as well, like cooktop, range hood, and we are using Goron Hay. It's really nice. It's color black. It's modern and sleek. We will be providing refrigerator as well. So they just need to bring their own furnitures and some appliances, since we would like to allow them to choose their own brand and own design or own theme for their own unit. Next, Jess. All right. So on your screen right now are the units that we are offering at Uptown Arts Residence. One thing that I love about Uptown Arts is the unit has been maximized for practical and optimal use. Like for example, we have a studio unit, and again, we offer no down payment for the remaining units at Uptown Arts Residence. So your client may take advantage of no down payment terms for as low as 27,300 pesos per month. We also have one bedroom unit, and I believe we also have executive one bedroom unit. So the one bedroom unit is approximately 37,600 pesos per month. And again, we offer no down payment. If you have clients who want a one bedroom unit with maid's room, we also have executive one bedroom unit. And of course, if you have clients looking for a bigger unit for personal use, we have three bedroom unit. It's a corner unit, approximately 82,900 pesos per month. And I think we offer one of the most flexible and competitive payment terms in Fort Bonifacio. So again, one thing about Uptown Arts is its upgraded deliverables. We are using European brand, and we'll show you some pictures for you to be able to appreciate the deliverables at Uptown Arts Residence. Just so this is the photo of the furnitures and deliverables or appliances that will be turned over in Uptown Arts. So we have Goron Hay, which is a European brand. We also have Frank. So Goron Hay, we use it for the cooktop and range hood, and of course for the ref and for oven as well. And then we have Frank that we use for the kitchen sink. We also have a Hacker, and below is actually the HDL, which we are using for the smart home system. We also have the Villeroy and Bosch. If you want to know more details or if you want to check the actual fixtures or appliances, again, we have model unit at Uptown Bonifacio, and we can show it to your client or you can check it, and definitely they will fall in love with the project and they will reserve a unit. The amenity area, just like most of our development in Uptown Bonifacio, will be located on the 6th floor, and it will consist of infinity pool, pool deck, outdoor lounge, function room with spillover, of course, gym or fitness center. We also have children's play area or daycare, outdoor fitness area. We also have game room, and we also have shower rooms near the swimming pool. We also have a very nice lobby for Uptown Arts. And once you visit our lobby, you will be able to realize, or you will realize why we named this project Uptown Arts, because we feature some art installations that I'm sure you and your client will love in Uptown Arts Residence. Now, just to give you an idea, who are our buyers for Uptown Arts Residence? Again, most of our clients right now, or basically we can offer it to Filipino buyers or Filipino married to foreigners. So most of our clients are from the Philippines. For studio unit, most of our buyers are young professional. So they are the one who are working around Uptown Bonifacio area, and they are based, let's say, in Antipolo, or most of them are from Cagayan de Oro, Mindanao, Cebu as well, in Visayas, who need a place in Uptown area. So they choose Uptown Bonifacio because of its location, and they choose Uptown Arts since the studio unit is almost one bedroom, which is around 41.5 square meters. We also have lots of expat clients, since there are lots of international school around the area. And that's the reason why we are offering one bedroom with maid's room. And of course, we have 3 bedroom unit. So again, if you have clients looking for a project that will be turned over by next year or with earliest turnover, Uptown Arts will be the best project for them. If they want a project, let's say in McKinley West area, we also have Park McKinley West Tower C, which will be turned over by next year, September 2025 as well. And we will have separate discussion for Park McKinley West. Jess? All right. Last February 28, 2024, I'm privileged to attend the building top-off ceremony of Uptown Arts Residence, which means we are in line with our scheduled turnover date, which is September 2025. And again, we can still visit our model unit, or you may invite your client in our showroom, which is located at the second floor of Uptown Parade. It's across Uptown Mall. We are hoping that you will invite your client before we renovate the area to accommodate our newest project, which is Uptown Modern. So again, feel free to invite your client, especially if you know someone who are looking for a project with earliest turnover in Uptown Arts, but still would like to take advantage of our no down payment terms. Next, Jess. So you may also scan the QR code, or you may take a photos, save it. So if you have any questions, included is the materials, like for example, the presentation materials, sample computation, and availability for Uptown Arts. Or again, you can always contact MBN team, or you may always message me or JP, and we will be more than happy to help and assist you.